Tepi, Pastor Andy Masia, Takino, every artist that is in the house, all of you who came tonight, clap hands for Jesus. Hallelujah. We are going to do a beautiful song. Remember, we hailed down from the Bombo in Guyana, so we want to do this with you so that we don't go back home with all the songs, but we leave them with you. Hallelujah. This one is called The Pride of the Believers. What we pride ourselves in. Loving, giving, caring, visiting the sick, giving to the poor, clothing the naked. Hallelujah. Jesus.